Spice and her fans make new I Feel Away song on Instagram Live.
Rhythm. Freestyle. They started with 20. Oh, they're not hear the rhythm like our vice, my vice. Yeah. But we have to go vice and stop so them can hear it and tell me how them sound, how it sound. Drop this little bit. Remember me at 5 feet.
Okay. Sorry, man. Sorry, man.
Yeah.
Sorry. I apologize.
Right, that's all.
Right, that's all?
Yo, the man up right. Look on the man, Mike. You everything, the Marco. Yo. 12,000 people there on the Instagram live right there. So you want to tell me, say, we can't write a hit song together?
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So people don't know that I Feel Away thing around the place. And Spice now go make that just slip away. So Spice decides that she make a song. So she link up with DeMarco. I want to know that Spice and DeMarco work together before, right? So she link up with DeMarco and she went live and she had do the song. Now people, we don't know if a DeMarco idea, because I see DeMarco do this before, you know, so might be a DeMarco influence Spice if we do this, because I never see Spice go on live yet, and she mentioned it, she said the first year do something like this. She never make a song on live before. But people, let's get into the song and hear what Spice are going with. So let's feel away. Here goes.
I feel away. Me no make no money for 2020. Me nah lie, me hurt, but I me really feel away. People bad mind me. If I bad and me really feel away. Me feel away. I feel away. Whoa, me feel away. I feel a blood clot way.
Hold on, me put you on.
Hold on. What am I cuss the bad word tonight? You think me for lay out the bad word?
Yeah, probably. I don't know.
Me no make no money for 2020. Me nah lie, me hurt, but I me really feel away. People bad mind me. Right, let's up. Me hurt, but I me really feel away. I feel away. I feel away. Me have to kill up myself right this way now. The intro, you know. I want to push the I feel away. Oh, me feel away. Me feel away. I feel a blood clot. We are right. Yes or no? Right, yeah. All right, well, I have to check the fans them.
Well, I have to do a bad word and a clean
but
version.
That may I listen to some. Them must say, I listen. Them not to play my song for real. Tell me if you don't want the bad word or what. I want to say vote for the bad. No bother with the. All right, Perry said I said the bad mind line. No, right? This a skin out, you know, skin out where true. You see, Uno, anytime I sing about the broke out skin out, dirty something, them when you say a beer that me sing about. And then you put it look a different something, you know why I hear that. Go on right there, so.
Huh? Where were they?
It's so more effective with the bad word. Yes, mama, chip the bad word.
Because remember you say it in the video, you know.
So you think me left the blood clot?
Yeah, man.
Alright, go down in it.
So people know say the fans them have the full control and the last say, because Spice even ask them what no want, you know, bad with night tune, I don't know one no bad with the night tune. Even though the marker say, you know what I mean, we can do a clean version and a dirty version, Spice has said what the fans them will listen to. You see me? So people, me like this. Me like it already because, you know what I mean, Spice give our fans them full access and that song ya a fear and the fans them. You see me? So we are going to hear what go on in the song, how far it reach. And while that are going to, in the next part, somebody make Spice feel away because them say something about her wig. So listen out for the wig part. All right, here goes. Listen.
Me no make no money for 2020. Me nah lie, me hurt, and me really feel away. People back mind them, blame them, hate me, why I need them envy, because I really feel away. Oh, you feel away. Oh, you feel away. Oh, you feel away. I feel a some kind of way. I feel away. Feel repeat. I feel away. Oh, that's all. Yeah. Then the blood clot. Let's just get the blood clot. Give me the I feel away.
Yeah. All right.
Give me this one. Then pick up. I feel away. I feel away. Whoa, you feel away. I feel some kind of way. I feel away. I feel away. Whoa, you feel away. I feel a blood clot way. Right? Yes or no? Yeah, that's what I want. Yeah. Give me before I forget the lyrics. Some gal are ordered. Give me.
Some gal are ordered.
Them they eat a meal again. I feel away. Really. Come right there. So that's like that style there. Something different. Somebody say, Spice, your wig strap pull. I feel away. Yes or no? Yo, we don't like the song we do. Yo, the girl this, I feel away, I feel. apologize to me, man. Hang up this blood clot. I feel a way, see? Girl say, yo, the witch trap pull, I should feel a way. Yo, the girl make me feel a way, see, man.
Yo, so I good. Yo, them I good fuck.
The mark of the girl make me feel a way.
Yeah.
Yo, run it through before we forget the lyrics, man.
So in a year what go on, people Spice feel away. So in the next part, no, you know say a fully Gaza Spice say. So Spice can do a song and left out real boss. Everybody go feel away. So me I say the whole Gaza go feel away. So in the part now she, the fans them tell her to, give her the Vibes Cartel line and say she have to mention the real boss. And also too, Jada Kingdom check in pan the live, you know what I mean? Everybody did the people. Me don't know, somehow know where I watch this already see it. You see me? So me just cut it down to a nice manageable part now. Wanna have to watch the whole 1 hour plus live, right? But that is still on her Instagram page if you don't want to see that also. So let's check into the other part them and hear what go on.
Pick up. As the man give them the banana, them just a peel away, them need them peel away, really. You catch yourself? Yeah, man, it start sweat. That's all my advice is sweating, man.
Turn up there, see?
Bumbo clot! Party day a jail, I feel away, Bumbo clot! God, how it in there! Yo! God, Bumbo clot, we mark a God, yo! God, how my yourself? What you mean? Cartel lip and the feel away, blood clot! Yo, me find them ready. Oh, damn bright. It hurt me. I feel away. Somebody say, borrow week to go dance and hungry, me feel away. I feel away. Catch them on the floor and kneel away. Never kneel a day for pray. But them never kneel a day for pray. So we can't say pray. You have to keep the way. We are rhyme with pure, way, and kneel. So you double rhyme with kneel and pray. So you have to say, catch them on the floor and kneel away. I feel away. I kneel a day. But them never kneel a pray. I kneel a day. But them never kneel a pray. I kneel away. But them never kneel a pray. Catch them on the floor and kneel away. I feel away. I kneel a day. But them never kneel a pray. I feel away. Yeah. I feel away. Me no make no money for 2020. Me nah like the hurt, but me really feel away. People back time them claim them hate me. Why I'm leave them envy? Because I really feel away. Oh, I feel away. I feel away. Oh, I feel away. I feel a some kind of way. I feel away. I feel away. Oh, I feel away. I feel a blood clot way. Some gyal a hold them even eat a meal a day. I feel away. I really feel away. Catch them on the floor and kneel away. I feel away. I kneel a day. But them never ever really kneel a pray. Man give them the banana, them just a feel away. I feel away. Lyrics ready again. Now the fans them are write this. I think I saw this thing go right this song. I want to say, talk to me. Jada Kingdom say, I feel away. Drop a lady that is Jada, you feel away. Feel away. Yo, them up on Instagram. They keep me hungry every day. Ready? It a come next. Write this song before we forget it. Ready? Yeah.
So people, you don't know say Spice fans them now go just build a tune with Spice and not say nothing about Rasta. And in the next part you know, them use one stone kill two birds cause they manage fit this Spice X and big up Rasta at the same time. Now them say X, so me no know who, me not go be specific. And them say it, and me say it, although me is a Spice fan said way. But I know me gear that for no get what me I say. You see me? So in the next part now, you know, Rasta in the studio by the way, you know, me no must see him in some of the clip them. You see me? But let's check into the next part and hear what them say about Rasta. Alright, listen.
You're right, yes or no. I feel away because I meet them the like and yo! Because I meet them the like and yet every day I'm done in a vibe. I meet them a spy pan. Your blood clot. Them watch me out. Them watch me right through. Them watch out my business right through. I feel away because I meet them the like and yet every day I meet them a spy pan. Blood clot.
Clot.
Right there, so. Yeah, because you want to give them a little chorus in there so to sing out too.
See it there?
Right there, so. Yo, me sweaty, see? I feel away because I made them the like and yet every day I meet the whole of them iPad. I feel away because I made them the like and yet every day I meet them up on them iPad. Them ready iPad.
Yeah. Them up them ready iPad.
Like a
Like
spy
a spy cam. Yo.
Yo, the girl them watch out, yo. I feel away because I meet them the like and yet every day I meet them the like and.
Yeah. Yet every day I meet the girl. Yet every day I meet some girl I
Rely on. Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't watch my business, you know,
Yeah.
without me, them can. Yeah,
Them
they want to
can't.
watch and wait to see what me I do.
Bumbo clown.
Dirty blood clot them. But you don't like me. You don't like me. You not a fan of me.
Dirty blood clot them. Clot them, mama.
Let me feel away. Hold on, I think you see the fan.
Clot
Give me
them.
some lyrics. Spy pan, yeah.
What's it
Yet every day I
clot?
meet them catch them a spy pan. Yeah, them like that part there. All right.
Yeah,
them
but
say
we
them
are your
that part
spy
there.
cam.
Yeah, we like the spy cam.
Yeah, man. Clot them,
Them
mama.
like that
Clot
part.
them. Dirty blood clot them.
Feel away. Right, son. Hold on, let me screenshot the part, yeah.
What?
Hold on.
Where you see?
Text one done. Say, X feel away because the Ras. What X feel away because the Ras are me right hand.
Right.
Yo, X one done, you made it. Ras are me right hand. Yeah, X feel away because the Ras are me new man. Yeah.
Right on. I feel like we have to call the rest of the
Right hand. Yo, no more. I'm a fan of my finest.
sir.
Them can write. So they say the people them can write. No. Them are write out blood.
So yes, people, get in the comment section, tell me how no feel a way about that song you wanna feel. You see me? So people they can't really just say boom, that song is bad or not without even giving them a credit. You see me? Because him is a big part of it. Spice and build the rhythm in a 24 hour. I don't know if a theme idea, man. You know how artists thing go. Maybe he must say Spice, you know what? That's style I run a place, you know, we can da. And the reason why I say that, people, is because I see Demarco do this before. Demarco go up on live and build a song. And, you know, same way people that give him line and thing. Even me did that try to give him some line. He actually read what I line them when I give him, but him never use it. You see me I say. So big up Demarco. So the part where we are going to check out with just Demarco and Spice. You know, Spice are big him up said way too. And again, the live is on Spice page if you don't want to see it. So here goes.
Leona say have a nice smile, Marco. Me the girl them say, oh you go.
Oh.
Leona say Marco have a nice smile. He ma blush.
I'm
Him a blush.
I'm blushing. Come on.
People them say when them a get the first draft.
Yo.
24 hour.
24 hour on the set.
Yo.
On
Wanna
the
give him
back,
a time. Alright, give him a time.
Give me a time. Give me
Give him
a
a time.
reasonable time.
24 hour.
No,
You're
give me
building rhythm in a
re-
24 hour. We want the song in a 24 hour.
So we don't want it mixed in 24 hours.
Yeah.
All
People them
right.
want it in a 24 hour. You have 24 hour.
I have
Good night, look
24
up on
hours.
yourself. I really can't wait to hear this. Yeah, the people them say you have 24 hour.
Okay. All right. 24 hour on the set.
24 hour them say. 13,000 people right with you, you know.
24 hour.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.